Do you use these Cignal boxes? Having trouble with how to reset your box? Don't worry. This is how you simply reset your box. While the Cignal box is still powered on, unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for 15 to 30 seconds. Then plug it back into the power outlet. Your Cignal box should automatically power back on. Or you can restore your Cignal box back to its factory defaults. Press Menu on your remote control. Select System and choose Factory Default. Using your remote control, enter pin 0000 or 9998 and select Yes to continue to confirm the factory reset. Your Cignal box will reboot and show the first time installation setup. Press OK to save the pre-selected choices. Your viewing should be back shortly afterwards. Your Cignal box will scan for channels and test for signal strength and quality. Once channel scan is complete, press OK and your viewing should be back shortly afterwards. Still need help? Our Cignal Care representatives are ready to assist you. For more troubleshooting tips, visit us at cignal.tv or scan this QR code. Cignal. Live awesome.